So here we have the Kia Sportage KX3 all-wheel drive automatic on a 15 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors as well as plenty of boot space and a 60/40 split folding rear seat. Underneath this carpet section, not only is it a full-size spare wheel, but it's an alloy spare wheel, which is very rare. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. You get full leather seats, as you can see. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard as well, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start off with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle you can see the total miles for this car are 1,758. You can change the information that's displayed above that using buttons to the right hand side of the dial. So there's lots of different pieces of trip computer information available to you. So if we back out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side we have stereo controls, and on the right hand side cruise control. Down the bottom here we've got a few buttons. So this one first of all will change the way that the steering works on this car. So if you press that button, you can see there that you can put the car into sport mode, comfort mode or normal. So that makes the steering very light in comfort mode, or very firm in sport mode, or obviously the normal mode would be what you'll be used to in most cars. Aside from that, we have voice activation for your phone and the ability to answer and end phone calls. That is all, of course, once you paired up the phone, and that is done over on the stereo system in the center here. Now before we come back to that, I just wanted to talk about the music in this car. So radio wise, we have FM and AM radio. In terms of other ways to listen to music, we've got a CD player just there, and we have USB and auxiliary connection as well. In terms of pairing up your phone, hit that button and follow the instructions on screen from there. Below that, we have the dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the temperature independently on either side of the car. Fan speed is then adjustable over here. Once you're happy with those settings, hit that button to turn the air conditioning on, or hit that button to put it onto auto, and the car will maintain those temperatures for you. Then all you have to do is simply override it by readjusting the fan speed as you wish to. Below that we've got the 12-volt charging socket on the left hand side, auxiliary and USB input in the middle. That button will turn off the parking sensors should you wish to. We then have the fully automatic gearbox, and to the right hand side and left hand side of the gearbox here and here we have heated driver and passenger seats. Finally, I just wanted to finish on the glass sunroofs. So the rear sunroof, both of them have blinds that pull across them should you wish to pull that across. The rear one is fixed. The front one is a tilt and slide sunroof. So if we give that button a push, you'll see that will open all the way up. So you get a huge amount of light and air as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.